It's recording.
Is it started?
Yeah.
Hi, we are the Cogfee Beans, and we are a team in CogWorks. I wanted to start out and just talk about my experience. Before this, I had not had previous experience working in teams for computer science concepts. And along the way, just like from the crazy experiences that we've had and the new experiences developing like image text to image like classification, like inputting a query and having images of that query appear, just these new concepts that I've never really explored, and also exploring like relationship with my team, doing like just learning how to work with others has truly been a valuable experience from Beaverworks.
Nice. Amy, do you want to start off talking about our first project?
Yeah, sure. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Okay, so our very first project, when we had just come together as a team, personally, I wasn't the best at writing doc strings, and we were having some troubles adjusting to communicating with each other. But on the second week, we were able to improve upon this a lot, and we learned the importance of communicating with each other, making sure everyone was starting on the right page. And at the beginning of week 2, we started off by setting up doc strings and avoiding a lot of these possible errors.
Yeah, building off of what Amy said, in week 2, there were so many interesting concepts that I learned. Like, this was the first time that I ever programmed a neural network that ran fast enough for me to actually see the result. And I've also learned that there's so many resources out there that I can build off of. And in week 2, we worked in a team to recognize faces and be able to cluster faces that were from the same person, and that was just mind-blowing.
To end up week 3, after learning about natural language processing, we connected it with images. It was actually really surprising that you could just connect languages with images. So that was very cool to learn about. And at the end of the week, we made a project that uses natural language inputs to search and query for images. And the moment discovery that we want to share with you is our love for toilets. Our first attempt at after working through it for like hours, we finally made it work. And the first thing we searched up was bathrooms. And we are all very happy to see toilets pop up.
And then finally, in the current week, during making our capstone project with this ocean theme, we started off with, we're still learning a lot of things. Like, we came into this big problem with one of our projects in audio processing, where we had found this method called MEL spectrograms, which was something new to us and we were still learning about and we thought would work, but eventually found out that there were some issues. And this really made us use collaboration to explore new solutions and work out the problem together to start coming towards a functioning piece of code that achieved what we wanted to. And I think that was it. It's a good way to show our progression in collaboration as we've gotten better throughout these last 4 weeks. And now we're all working together really well to fix the problems that we're facing.
Should I end the recording? Okay.